What's good, Auto Gang? GT 53. Y'all let me know if y'all think this could be fixed. So before I show y'all, y'all think this could be fixed? All my welders tap in. All my welders tap in and let me know if y'all think this could be fixed. So I initially came out to fix his flat. Thought he rolled over nails. She sent me a picture of the nails, so I'm like, all right, cool. See the hole. But this, where the hole at? Hold up. This is the hole. I think that could be fixed. A long bolt had went through it. So I'm gonna take it off and take it to the top. The people that fix rims to see what they see. Wish this man luck. So this rim cannot be fixed, and a replacement rim for this vehicle for the rear is $1,700 plus $150 service fee plus $50 from the mountain bounce. And you got to bring your oil rim. And you got to bring your oil rim. Jeez. And for another rim, it was $1,700. So instead of spending $1,700, I get that rim fixed, and we're gonna rock with this Rivetti. Can't tell the difference, huh? Yeah, you really can't tell the difference from far away. Stop playing. Right now, got it fixed, starting up. I don't know how it looked before. This is what it's looking like now. Y'all seen it? Crack rim, back on the road. Can't even tell. Back at it like a crack at it. GT 53. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Y'all check the channel out. Easy Auto.